Class 10th, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2, Chapter number 8, Cell Biology and Biotechnology. Can you recall? 1. What is cell? A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. It is the basic building block of all living organisms. Some living organisms, like bacteria, are made up of a single cell, unicellular, while others, like humans, are made up of millions of cells, multicellular. Each cell performs specific functions such as obtaining nutrients, producing energy, and reproducing, just like a small factory working inside our body. 2. What is tissue? Which are the functions of tissue? Tissue, a group of cells that work together to perform a specific function. Each tissue has its own unique role, helping the body function in a coordinated way. In animals, muscular tissue helps in movement, nervous tissue sends and receives messages, epithelial tissue protects organs, and connective tissue joins different parts of the body together. In plants, meristematic tissue is responsible for growth, while permanent tissue takes care of photosynthesis, storage, and transport. So you see, tissue is what turns individual cells into an organized living system, giving life its structure and harmony. 3. Which technique in relation to tissues have you studied in earlier classes? The technique related to tissues that we studied in earlier classes is called tissue culture. In this method, a small piece of plant tissue is taken and grown in a nutrient rich medium under sterile laboratory conditions. From that tiny piece, a whole new plant can develop. This technique is widely used in agriculture, horticulture, and research to produce disease free plants, to preserve rare species, and to grow many plants quickly from just one parent. Tissue culture, a perfect example of how science turns a single cell into countless possibilities. 4. Which are the various processes in tissue culture? The various processes in tissue culture take place step by step, each one precise and important. First comes selection of explant, a small piece of plant tissue usually taken from the stem, leaf, or root. Then sterilization, where the explant and instruments are carefully cleaned to remove all microbes. Next is inoculation. The sterilized explant is placed in a nutrient medium containing all the minerals, vitamins, and hormones needed for growth. After that, incubation. The culture is kept under controlled temperature, light, and humidity to allow cells to divide and form new tissues. Then comes callus formation, where a mass of undifferentiated cells is formed. From this callus, through the process of organogenesis or embryogenesis, new shoots and roots begin to appear. Finally, hardening and transplantation. The young plantlets are gradually adapted to natural conditions and then transferred to the soil. This entire process, from a single cell to a complete plant, shows the incredible power of biotechnology in action. We have studied the plant production by technique of tissue culture in the last class. Stem cells are used for that purpose. Whether such stem cells are present in animals? Yes, such stem cells are also present in animals, including humans. These cells are truly special because they have the power to divide continuously and transform into different types of body cells. In animals, embryonic stem cells are found in the early stages of development. They can form any tissue or organ in the body. Later in life, adult stem cells remain in specific parts like the bone marrow, brain, and skin. These help in the repair and regeneration of damaged tissues. So, yes, just like plants, animals too carry within them tiny seeds of renewal. The stem cells, nature's own tools for healing and growth. Earlier, we have studied the structure, types, and organelles of the cell. This is called cell biology or cytology. Besides the above mentioned points, it also includes the study of cell division and many other aspects of the cell. Want to watch the full animated chapter with notes and test series? Then download the Hope Publications app, your smart companion for Class 10 Maharashtra board. Learn easily, understand deeply, and score higher. Remember, smart learning, bright future. Download link is given in the description below. Start your journey of smart learning today.
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th के लिए एक कंप्लीट डिजिटल लर्निंग सोल्यूशन। यहाँ मिलते हैं साइंस, हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस, चैप्टर नोट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज और माइंड मैप, सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में।
बच्चों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अब बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो रहे हैं और हर टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आने लगा है। अब स्टूडेंट सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं, समझते भी है, क्योंकि होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप बनाता है पढ़ाई को इंटरैक्टिव। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने मेरे बच्चे की पढ़ाई को आसान और मजेदार बना दिया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
अब पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं, होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप है ना। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप से मेरी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है टॉप क्लास।
अब नोट्स ढूंढने की टेंशन खत्म, सब कुछ इस ऐप में रेडी है। साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब एक जगह, एक ऐप पर।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने हमारी स्कूल की पढ़ाई का लेवल ही बढ़ा दिया है। अब हर क्लास डिजिटल बन रही है।
हर सब्जेक्ट, हर कॉन्सेप्ट अब आपकी उंगलियों पर। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप डाउनलोड करें आज ही।